Welcome back to the Celtic Farm in our Permaculture series. I'm Master Gardener Steve, and today we're focusing on one of the most rewarding principles of permaculture, promoting community and sharing. It's not just about growing better gardens, but about growing better communities. Whether it's sharing seeds, tools, or knowledge, or labor, working together helps create a more sustainable and resilient gardening network. Let's explore how you can bring this principle to life in your garden and neighborhood. One of the easiest ways to build a community is by sharing knowledge. Programs like the Master Gardener Program offer training, workshops, and mentorship to help you grow your skills while also helping others. As a Master Gardener, you can lead workshops, organize community events, and inspire new gardeners. Host workshops focused on specific topics like composting, seed saving, or organic pest management. Invite neighbors to join you, whether you're teaching a skill or learning together. It's all about building bonds while growing gardens. Open garden days are a great way to share your gardening journey. Invite neighbors to see permaculture in action, learn new techniques, and ask questions. Permaculture is all about making the most of available resources. Sharing tools reduce costs, increase access, and makes gardening more sustainable. Consider creating a tool library where neighbors can borrow what they need without the expense of purchasing new equipment. Seed exchanges are another powerful way to promote community. Organize a local seed exchange or start a seed library where gardeners can share seeds and take what they need. This not only encourages genetic diversity in gardens, but also preserves heirloom varieties that are adapted to your local environment. Collaborative labor swaps make big projects easier and faster. From building raised beds to planting herb spirals, working together builds stronger gardens and stronger bonds. Seed saving is a critical permaculture practice. By saving seeds from your best performing plants each year, you create a locally adapted seed bank that improves crop resilience and yields. Hosting seed saving workshops is a great way to share this vital skill. Teach neighbors how to save seeds from annuals like tomatoes and beans, as well as perennials like herbs and flowers. This not only preserves local biodiversity, but also empowers others to develop resilient gardens. Establishing a community seed bank creates a shared resource that's better suited to your specific growing conditions, benefiting all local gardeners and supporting greater food security. Schools are ideal partnerships for spreading permaculture principles. Collaborate with schools to develop garden-based learning programs that teach children the basics of gardening, composting, and sustainability. You'll not only be cultivating plants, but future gardeners too. Nonprofits focused on food security and community development are excellent partners. By working with these organizations, you can bring permaculture practices to larger community projects, enhancing local food systems and conservation efforts. Farmers markets, co-ops, and local food networks are natural hubs for promoting sharing, collaboration, and sustainable practices. Join these networks to exchange produce, swap seeds, and share ideas, all while building stronger community relationships. Promoting community and sharing doesn't just make gardening easier, it makes it more diverse, cost-effective, and resilient. You'll see a wider variety of plants, reduced costs, stronger relationships, and improved food security. The Master Gardener Program amplifies these benefits, providing structured learning, community projects, and ongoing mentorship. It's about growing more than just plants, it's about growing a thriving, sustainable community. These communities and sharing are at the heart of permaculture, whether you're exchanging seeds, tools, swapping labor, or collaborating with local organizations. Every effort builds a stronger, more resilient gardening ecosystem. Join the movement, share your knowledge, share your seeds, and share the joy of sustainable gardening. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your gardening community. Let's keep growing together.